By May 23, AAVE might lose 2.3% per CoinCodex. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. AAVE is currently down 1.9% in the last 24 hours and sits around $88.14. Time to explore what analysts foresee. Gov Capital Collector expects the chart to show $89.88 tomorrow, a gain of roughly 2%. Coin price forecast suggests AAVE could move toward $88.21, gaining approximately 0.1%. Digital coin price highlights the possibility of dropping to $87.10, a decrease of about 1.2%. A separate outlook from CoinCodex indicates AAVE could edge lower to $86.11, a fall close to 2.3%. Finally, Traders Union sees the value moving down to $82.76 by tomorrow, 6.1% under now. This is the top profit forecast. That's all for the forecasts. Let's check what's next in the data. These are the key takeaways from all 5 forecasts. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decrease of 6.1% and a gain of 2%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Traders Union predicts the highest return with 6.1% surge in value by tomorrow. This means you could see a return of between $1 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Coin Price Forecast's forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 89.3%. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. With all forecasts combined, the consensus places AAVE near $86.81. Now let's dive into it. The consensus assessment points to the price dropping 1.5%. This implies that your capital could gain by the same 1.5%. For a 1,000 entry, this move could imply $15 gained, and the likelihood of the consensus forecast on AAVE being realized is placed at 80.5%. To get the full picture, let's look at the 3-day predictions from analysts. Gov Capital Collector expects AAVE to rise over the next few days. Coin Price Forecast describes the short-term picture as largely unchanged. Digital coin price emphasizes a downward trajectory. A bullish track is suggested by CoinCodex. Traders Union suggests bearish momentum will dominate. The consensus shows broad agreement on AAVE trending higher in the near term. Overall, most analysts lean toward a bullish scenario for AAVE. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. Ultimately, yesterday's final number was $88.14. Yesterday showed that just 2 forecasts captured the direction correctly. Best forecast on accuracy came from Traders Union. Time to check the outcome in detail. 2 forecasts landed within the candle. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 2.5%. And here's the daily recap. The full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. Also worth noting, Coin Price Forecast had a forecast probability of 90% and 95 cents accuracy and 1.2% ROI. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow differ among a few cryptocurrencies. Tomorrow's leading asset is Arbitrum with 6.1% in forecasted profitability, placing it above AAVE. In this section, AAVE is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. If you'd rather not chase forecasts across the web, like and subscribe to get fresh analyst updates right here. See you at the next update.